Hey students, it's Mr. Fleece here, and today we're gonna get right into it and make our own sketchbooks. Wait a minute. Sketchbooks. So you're gonna open your art kits. Number one, you're gonna open your art kits. Inside your art kit, you're gonna find one piece of construction paper, blah, blah, blah. We're gonna use that as the cover to our book. You will also have 10 sheets of drawing paper right here that we'll use for your pages. You have 10 sheets. Doesn't sound like a big sketchbook, but each sheet makes 4 pages, giving you a total of 40 pages in your sketchbook. That's quite a bit. If we need more, if you fill this entire book in one trimester, I will let you make another one. You will also find in there a needle. Now, we gotta do needle talk. Needle talk is very important. Needles are dangerous. They're very sharp and pointy and pokey. So you have to be careful not to be pointy, pokey, and sharp and stab yourself with your needle. That would be sad. That would be so sad. And then we can't do projects like this, so don't take this away from us. I beg you, okay? We've got to do the needles the correct way. So I'm gonna show you how to use a needle, and if you've had sewing or sewing experience, I'm sure you're used to it. This end with the point, sharp end. Don't touch, that's bad. Bad. This end with the big loop, that's the end where we're gonna put our thread through so we can bind our sketchbook, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a minute. If you are building your sketchbook in class, you will also be using an owl tool or a needle tool. Again, it's just a wooden handle with a needle on the end. Don't poke, don't stab, right? Just like the needle. But we're gonna use this to puncture the holes in our sketchbook. And you can see here, I'm gonna puncture the hole in the sketchbook. If you're building your sketchbook online at home, your sketchbook in your kit is gonna look like this. It's already gonna be folded. It will also have these paper clips. Leave those on your sketchbook. Don't take them off because they're holding your pages in place so you can stitch your binding.